Alright guys, this is going to be the stock I'm going to be trading all week next week. This is the only stock I'm going to be trading options on and probably make my money back and have at least 300, maybe 300 200 around there. We did reach the mark and we went right back down. So I do not say the challenge is over yet, but it was. But now, you know, it's redemption arc. We reached the goal, but then we lost it. So most of the emotions really got to me at one point. I just kept over trading. I wanted to, you know, reach that. I held on to my losers too long, thinking that it was gonna reverse, and you know, it really is mostly psychology. I'm gonna just tell y'all that you can't have this dilemma in your head where, you know, you found the perfect trade and it's gonna go in your favor. You know, you have to just follow the trend, secure your profits that day. Don't go and trade it again, you know, trying to get more. Forex is harder than actual stocks, I would say. All right guys, today's our off day. Today's Saturday. We do plan on reaching the goal still. We still got 2 weeks left in December to make those trades happen, but first we're gonna be reading Meditations, then The Intelligent Investor, and then The Psychology of Money. And I already been reviewing the trades, the ones I took photos of them, and I basically wrote down a lot of things. Yeah, I was kind of angry writing this down, but I reviewed my trades on the 4 hour, and I basically wrote the amount I lost and a little bit more too. You know, don't read this, don't pause it or anything, you know, if you find that offensive language. But yeah, we reviewed the trades and we're going to be learning a little bit more. We're going to be documenting a little bit more on the journaling side, and I do have my charts open, but I don't plan on looking at them much often today. But we're gonna have to be trading these stocks. I call them the baby stocks to trade. All right, back to what I was saying, guys. We have all these charts here loaded up, and these are pretty much these are pretty much the stocks we're gonna be trading, and it's pretty much the amount we have right now, the amount of capital. We're gonna trade these options right here around the 20 to 30 price range. That's what we're gonna be doing. Everything looks like it's being oversold right now. And then I have these 4 charts right here looking at GameStop to be seen when I can buy the option at the best price, at the best strike price, I mean. And that's what we're gonna do right here, man. And then all these other charts right here for this layout are just going to be just for scouting the market and seeing which this letter right here is gonna be 4 charts viewing the 4 stocks that I do plan on trading and just seeing which direction each one of them goes in the market. World Cup just ended. Messi just won. He's the GOAT, classified GOAT now. He's classified, certified 3-time GOAT. Messi, the 3-time GOAT, won the World Cup. That's crazy. December 18th today. Market's gonna open for Forex. I'm just gonna wait for it at 4 o'clock. We're gonna see where our trade went for the US Canada. We wanted it to plummet down, so yeah, we're just gonna wait. We can trade on US Canada 215. It's going up right now. We bought 0.5 of a lot. It's going up. Hold on, I can't see right there. So it's going up right now. Bought it up there. Want it to come down, and looks like it's gonna have a pullback, and then it's gonna go plummet down. This right here is Australian dollar, so I'm just gonna wait for it to drop, and I'll be back to y'all whenever it happens. Today's Monday the 19th. I took a trade today. Took 2. One is still ongoing, and the other one I took it out earlier because I saw the market going up, and I called for a put. We bought GME. 20.5 put, GME 20.5 put, and then we sold it for 1.21 average floor price. We bought it for 0.09 average floor price, but 102 the limit price. And then basically, yeah, we sold it for the average market price. And then we bought Uber two contracts, 25 call, and right now we're currently up $5. It's been going up and down. Let me show you real quick on the chart. So, all right, this is the guy I'm gonna study to right here. I'm gonna study this guy. I don't know if I should do, you know, online notes like for Notion, or should I just write it down on paper again? I think I might just do online Notions so I can study it anywhere. But this is currently our trade right here on Uber. I took it a little earlier. I could have waited and bought the 24.5, I think. Now we wouldn't have enough time. But consolidating. This is the 1 hour chart right here. It pushed down. It's going up now. I see it going up. MACD, every indicator is telling me right now that it's gonna go up. So I'm just gonna hold them a couple of days. The 4 hours being way oversold. Everything just looks good in my favor right now for a call. So that's why I'm gonna just hold this contract. This is the 4 hour too though, so don't mind it. Let me erase it. All right, so this. How can I bought the euro. I wanted it to go up eventually, and it just don't hit my stop loss. My stop loss was below this right here, and I bought it like around up at the top of the wick and just skyrocketed down, and it went and just I should just anticipated that, but I didn't. So we basically blew the whole account. I had to stop loss and take profit. And I'm on a demo right now. So look, we're at $1.64 basically, and then the trade was the Euro USD at 61.53, and we sold at 58.54, and we lost $15 right there. We bought 0.5, so probably a mini, not a standard. It wasn't a standard, it was a lot. We bought a mini lot, and we just lost $15, and we blew the whole account. So I don't think I plan on trading Forex for a while until I get this demo account up. We're losing a trade right now on the demo account, but we won we bought the Euro too, man. We blew this one right here. I need to think of a plan, but I also need to get good at trading to the point where I can be a profitable trader on Forex. Eventually, I'm not that yet. I keep losing my money, keep blowing the account. Blew 200 already on Forex, so I do plan on just sticking to stocks. Probably eventually to dropshipping. That's what I wanted to do most, but after I get a little bit more profitable on trading, then I'll probably eventually. Alright guys, currently how our trade going right now. This is how our trade is going right now. It's going up. I'm studying again. You know, I usually don't study, but we're studying on Notion right now. We're writing down, taking down notes. That was our first video we watched. This is going to be our second one. I got all these channels up here to be studying. But, you know, I've been looking back and I've been reviewing my trading, and I've been thinking to myself, you know, I've been trading the wrong way this whole time. Haven't been sticking to my strategy. You know, all these trades I've been taking recently, you know, they've been decent, most of them, but, you know, I have been scalping. I have been, you know, trading off of emotion and just predicting where the market is. And this guy really just humbled me. You know, he said, look at your history, look at the way you're trading, you know, and review. And I reviewed, and I you know, found myself trading the wrong way. So from here on out, you know, I'm not going to be having to trade every day. You know, I don't plan on doing that. I plan on just trading setup, because when you trade like this, you lose money, obviously. I will have a 2-month, but if we do become consistent, then I'll be switching over to dropshipping and all the other stuff. But if we don't, then I'll do a whole another month trading, and hopefully I can become profitable then. So we're currently down. Let me update it real quick. I saw $10, 13, maybe up $12, no, 16. And the current price is at 25, the strike price. So the contract is still losing value because the time decay. Sorry about that. Time decay, but we're above the strike price. We're above the strike price, but yet we're still losing money because of the time decay. So I don't know if I should be able to. I think I might scale out at just minus $10, and then just go find setups somewhere else. And so I'm gonna just see what happens with Uber bouncing above. If it goes below, then I'll probably take it out. But as of right now, it's looking pretty good. We're on a currently uptrend. Don't trade these setups. It's bad. Don't be scalping. Don't be doing that, boys. Options are nothing to play with. Stay away from them too. Look at this trade. We're down to 117. We're down 149. The time decay is getting to us. The strike price was above it, and then it went down below the strike price by like 3 cents, and then it went down to minus 17. But we were paper trading on 0-day contracts on SPY, and it expired. We forgot to take it out. But we made $52. I better review this trade when I bought it, and why it went up at the time, and just look at the market, and that's what I'm gonna do, evaluate. And then I'm probably gonna be trading SPY 0-day contracts. I mean, it's kind of risky, but I have to if I want to level up this account as much as possible. So that's what I'm gonna do, be trading 0-day contracts on SPY or QQQ. Probably QQQ because it's probably a little bit cheaper on QQQ than SPY. But we're gonna be reading the market, and we currently updated our charts. Let me show y'all real quick. We currently updated our chart, and I took out the volume, all this other gibberish stuff, but I changed the color too. I'm sorry. The white and yellow. This one guy, the moving average guy, he moved my my heart to change the colors. He said it was a psychological effect when it's red and green, but yeah, that's basically it. Let me show you the price where it's at. Currently at $24.93. The strike price was $25. I went up above it. We're still losing money, so I think I'm gonna just take it out tomorrow. If it keeps going down, I don't want it to go down at least 130. If it hits 130, we can buy SPY contracts and see where the market goes tomorrow, and basically take out my trade tomorrow too on the Uber, buy those contracts and to be decaying. I want to be day trading. Man. All right guys, so today we took a trade on SPY. We took 2 of them. We did take out Uber. Let me go show you real quick. And I was just watching this one guy. Look at, we're down. We lost 30 actually. We lost $30. We're down 87 on all P&L on the total account. It's more than we was before, 30 and 87. The one that blew us out, QQQ, SQ, and then we lost 30 on SPY. So originally we called a 384 put, and then we bought it at 125. Yeah, $1.25, and then we sold it for $1.04. And then we bought another put. I don't know why I bought a put. I was trading against the market again. This is the dilemma that I have in my head that I usually, what is wrong with me whenever I do wake up in the morning? I'm not in the right mindset. So I need to remind myself, even though I do. So, it was a 384 at 851. 384 at 851. So around here, we bought a 384 put right there, and then it went down favor, and then we bought a 385 right here. I thought it was gonna have a little pullback around 9. It was around 927, so around there, 927, so around here, and then it just skyrocketed up and we lost money right there. Yeah, I should have read that. I should have read we're in uptrend above the 100 EMA. Should have read that. And we did take out Uber. We should have held Uber a little bit longer, I believe. We were down 16. We lost 16, and we could have made a lot more on Uber. Let me go show you Uber. It went up a little bit, not that much though. And I can't trade until next Tuesday, so I'll probably have to show y'all. Guys, I was watching this one guy. He really is opening my mind up right now. This guy right here, Lander Schnaut. I don't know how to say his last name. I'm not gonna pronounce it because I don't want to pronounce it wrong because it's kind of messed up. But he was really just talking about how I shouldn't have set a goal. Well, he said you shouldn't set goals for, you know, the day, and you shouldn't set, you know, a certain goal because then you can start over trading. And he's preaching. I think the 1K goal I set on myself was a little harsh. I overtrade. I try to trade every day, even though I'm not trading setups for some reason. And, you know, I try to predict the market, and I just keep doing this. You know, I keep trading wrong. I know I'm trading wrong, but as soon as I wake up and, you know, I try to trade, you know, I instantly think, you know, easy money coming in, all this other stuff. And I did see Uber pull back, and then it went up. I pulled it out pretty early. Pulled it out as soon as the market opened. So I probably could have made a little bit more if I held it. Probably all the way through. Yeah, should have held it. Should have held a lot more. Should have held it a little bit longer. Probably till like 10 o'clock. I'm not being patient enough when the market opens. And basically the calendar, look at that. Not looking too good. We're down $93 in total. In total, we're down 93. I don't know what I'm gonna do to bring the money back. We're down on the Forex too. Let me go show you the Forex. We're up T5 right now. We're up 25 on the euro. And I just kind of lost right now, guys.